We've just learned how to calculate slope, but how does that correspond with our site plan and our contours? Remember the basic equation. Slope equals vertical distance divided by horizontal distance. S equals V over H. We're going to use this example from your textbook, figure 9.10. So go ahead and turn the page and follow along. What we've got here is a contour map. All right, it looks like it's high up here at contour 32, kind of coming down low over here, contour 21. It's got some points marked out on it. And so we're going to look at slope C right here, right, between points A and B, and slope E right here. And just visually, I'd like you to take a look and see, can you tell right now which one is steeper and which one is more gentle? Are you ready? Okay, the answer is that slope E is much steeper, right, because the contour lines are closer together. Slope C is more gentle because the contour lines are farther apart. And you can pull out your scale and measure the distance between to find this out numerically. Turns out distance C is 25 feet and distance E is 8 feet. How can we calculate slope C? Right? What we're going to do is draw a little diagram right here. Okay, I always do this for pretty much every slope calculation ever. Draw the little diagram. All right. And we're interested in the vertical distance, the horizontal distance, and the slope. In this case, we know the horizontal distance. That was given to us. You measured it hypothetically, all right, on the plan, and it's 25 feet. What's the vertical distance? Well, it is moving from contour line 26. You can find that over here, all right, at point A, to contour line 25, you can find that right here, to point B. So we're moving from 26 to 25, and your vertical distance is 1. Notice that this aligns with the contour interval of this particular map. Now that we have vertical and horizontal distance, we can make this calculation. Slope equals V over H. The slope is 1 foot over 25 feet. And therefore, it's 1 over 25 is 0.04 or 4%. Let's try our other example. All right, slope E right here. And remember that the measured distance is 8 feet. So for slope E, we know that the horizontal distance is 8 feet. What about the vertical distance? Well, if you look at the map, we're moving from contour 24 down to contour 23, right? 24 at the high point, 23 at the low point. Our vertical distance is 1. Go ahead and pause the video right here, and let's see if you can calculate the slope for this example. Are you ready? Here's the answer. Your slope is going to be 1 over 8, or 0.125, or 12.5%. All right, we just saw that slope C is 4% and slope E is 12.5%. Let's visualize those on our diagram here. You can see that here is slope C drawn in green. Right? It is shallower or less steep than slope E, drawn in blue at 12.5%. And that is exactly like we predicted because the contour lines were further apart or closer together.